Cinematic sunrise over the River Thames in London. Golden light reflecting on water, soft morning fog, peaceful atmosphere. Drone aerial shot, ultra-realistic, 4K. Close-up of Big Ben clock tower, detailed architecture, slow camera pan upward, clear blue sky, realistic lighting. Buckingham Palace front view, tourists taking photos, royal guards standing still in red uniforms, cinematic wide shot, vibrant colors. London Royal Guards marching in formation, synchronized movement, cultural ceremony, slow motion, dramatic feel. Tower Bridge opening over the Thames, boats passing underneath, wide cinematic shot, smooth drone movement. Busy London street with classic red buses and black taxis, people crossing roads, urban lifestyle, handheld cinematic feel. Night scene at Oxford Street, bright neon lights, shopping crowds, time-lapse effect of traffic and people. Peaceful Hyde Park scenery, people walking, cycling, relaxing on grass, green trees, calm and natural vibe. London skyline at sunset, orange and purple sky, city